all black look, basically.
Yes. Dos. Tres.
No to tres.
Cuatro.
I'm feeling cuatro. I'm feeling cuatro a bit.
Cinco.
I've never worn cinco out.
Yes.
I've only worn it for video.
Yes.
So I'm tempted to go with cinco and with dos. I don't want to go with uno because uno feels like an everyday thing I've worn. I've worn that combo before. Like the combo of the net
and this top.
And this top. I've definitely worn this combo before. To raves. Yeah, not a fan. I am not a fan.
The problem with this one back is that this is very, very low, and then this is open. If this was high,
it's actually supposed to be high, but the top, I think, I don't know why, but I think the way it can be much higher. I think I'm just worried about my boots falling out at the bottom.
A few moments later.
This is what I'm wearing for the first day of Lagos Fashion Week. This top is from SZN. These pants are from Fashion Nova. Shoes are from Shopify. Bag is from Hiki Lagos. I didn't pull any clothing from any designer. I wanted to wear stuff from my wardrobe. And this is what I decided to wear for the I really enjoyed today's shows. Rouge, Fia. Interesting, both of the standout designers from me begin with the letter F. And also my first name begins with the letter F. So is there something there? Really enjoyed Frush's show. Like the draping on that last dress. That's masterful, impactful, talented. And then Fia, oh my God. Everything from Fia, everything. I wanted everything. Every fucking thing. I do not like using makeup wipes to remove my makeup, but I am out of my cleanser, my makeup removing cleanser, so I gotta manage this. I am going to finish removing my makeup, eat some dinner. I'm having some Thai red curry that I made today, and go to bed because Deola is there. Hello. It is day 2 of Lagos Fashion Week, the runway shows, and my makeup is done. Today's makeup is pretty simple but bright at the same time. I don't have anything fancy going on with my eyeshadow, but I am using some blue liner. I just wanted the blue liner to pop against the dress I'm wearing today, which I need to show you guys. I absolutely cannot stop staring at myself because I look much better than what I thought I would look. This is my look for day 2 Fashion Week. I absolutely love this scarf draping. Then it also has these exaggerated long sleeves, which I love as well. Today I'm letting my hair down. Baby, I'm just trying to let my hair down. That's a reference to a song. If you don't know it, go and listen to it. It's called Hair Down. It's fantastic. You can't see my hands. I really like that. I have no idea why. And I also like how big it is. Am I supposed to fold it up? I'm not gonna fold it up. It does have a button, but I think I'm gonna leave it exaggerated like this.
1 hour later.
We have arrived.
Vlog people.
Bloggers, I want content creators. So we're walking in, the content creators are walking in to Fashion Week, you know, walking into street style, walking in. It's walking in. A para boy. Look at this. Look at this.
Where's the color stuff?
Love it. Love it. Love it. Look at the jewelry. Let me see the nails.
Yeah.
Let me see the rings and the accessories. Ooh.
Thanks, baby.
Love it. Can you guys look at this? Look at the material.
Look at this.
Look at the fucking material. Look at this jacket. Like, can I steal this from you? Who is the jacket from?
From Dartmoor.
Ah, beautiful.
Thank
Gorgeous. Edwin has said that.
Yes.
Edwin has said that next year that me and Ladi are going to be walking on this runway. So we're putting it here out
It's a
there.
time capsule.
It's a time capsule. So as you're seeing us now, next year, runway.
I said so.
Transition to next year.
Manifesting. He has said it, so you're doing it, right? Say it again.
I am. Next year, I'm showing. I'm gonna have my friends on the runway.
Later that same evening.
Wow! I never thought this was gonna be me. It's the first time for everything, including a show.
Deola is having a party at Alara. It's called Diamond and Skins or Diamond and
I guess that she didn't want to go, but
I didn't want to go, but
turn on my flash so you can see. Do you know what this is?
so this is the body oil that we're using. It's from Colourpop. Yes, it's from Colourpop. Shimmering dry oil in the shade Soft Gold. This is what we used all over our bodies.
You see, it's blinging. It's blinging.
It's blinking. Actually, my camera is not picking it up. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm dead. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the Shein dress with Fashion Over pants.
Body attention please to the dance floor. Hello, hello, hello.
Paula Francis.
The model. Are you bored of all my body? Oh my god, I just saw my neck on
Hello, good afternoon. It is day 3, the last day of Lagos Fashion Week runway shows, and I am basically just putting myself together. It's like almost 1 p.m. and I always start getting ready by like 2:33. So I have time to do my makeup and take pictures and do that kind of thing. So today's look involves a corset, but the zip of the corset is not the strongest. The corset has popped open. The boning of the corset and the zip are kind of attached, and I'm worried that a tailor is going to like really mess it up. So I'm worried that the corset won't hold up, but I hope it does in time for me to take photos. When I get inside, I'm possibly gonna have to find a way. Maybe I'm gonna take a jacket along with me and hide it somewhere. I've laid out all my makeup and even my jewelry that I'm wearing today, and I just like having everything prepared and ready for me before I do my makeup, and even before I dress up. Like my bag is here, the dress, the corset, the shoes. Like I just like having everything in the same vicinity. I like having everything out as I prepare to go out.
5 minutes later.
There are many reasons why I love the internet, and one of the reasons just happened right now. I mentioned that I'm going to be wearing a corset today, and the zip is a bit weak and I'm worried about that. So I just decided to go to Google and Google what to do when you have a bad zip, and this wonderful article basically breaks down all the different ways your zips can break and then ways you can fix it at home. So I just use my pliers that I got for cosplay and, you know, doing arts and crafts stuff and doing stuff for Halloween. And I used it to fix my corset zip, and now it's good. Reason number 567 why I love the internet. Because I can Google stuff and learn stuff and do stuff all from the comfort of my home. Arrived for the last day of shows at Lagos Fashion Week. This is my outfit. I'm wearing a studio emo dress with this bustier, did an exaggerated smoky eye, and dark lips. It's Sunday morning. I'm in my bed. Fashion Week is over. Well, technically Fashion Week isn't over. There are a bunch of off-site shows and presentations happening today, but I wasn't invited to any of them. So for me, Fashion Week is over. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I hope you enjoyed this video. Out of the 3 outfits I wore for Fashion Week, let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite one. I am personally like kind of attached to Studio Emo. The last day I really liked the vibe, the makeup and everything. But let me know what you guys think by leaving me a comment below. I'm gonna go look for food. Then I'm actually gonna go see my parents. Then I'm going to regress back to the 9 to 5 Deola. Alright guys, that's the end of the vlog. I love you all. Bye.